Hi, this is Armando with Suzuki Academy of Los Angeles, and today I would like to talk about why it is so important for you to attend the music lesson of your child, no matter which school you are attending. So the first thing I want to say is, of course, your parents are required to take notes, but also nowadays with your phone, you can do amazing things. You can record your child playing with the teacher. You can also record your teacher playing in slow motion every passage or every exercise or scale you need to do at home, and you can even just repeat this 3 times a day so your child practices with that video. Some of my students do an incredible job, and they have me on the big TV and they just loop whatever needs to be worked on, and it really works. I wish I had that chance when I was a child. So yes, attend the lesson just for those very simple steps. Now, also, no matter if your child is 1, 2, 3 years old, 10, 14, 15, I feel that even if a child is a teenager, that's actually maybe the most important time when the parents need to be in the lesson. So it is not just about taking notes or taking videos. It's to be in the lesson and to know what's going on, and to communicate with your teacher and with your child, and to see what are the great things and what are the problems. Most of the time when somebody drops out of violin, piano lessons, whatever is the instrument, I realize that the problem is communication. The students are not telling the parents what's going on. The teacher keeps on telling the student what to do, and then there is no changes. And of course, the parents see no progress, and they don't know what's going on during the lesson, so they drop. And also, if you're at the lesson, if you have a Suzuki teacher, they will remind you that it's normal that you want to drop, and this communication will just help you to never drop, to never make that big mistake. So this is why it's so important to me to have parents at the lesson as much as we can. I will say on a weekly basis, and if you cannot come, send your husband, send a big sister, whatever that can help to have somebody. And in the worst case scenario, if nobody can come, make sure your child tapes the entire lesson with the phone, so at least you can know what happened.